What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got some more Harbor Freight deals for you guys. Currently, they're doing a giant liquidation sale, making room for new items and also for clearance items in your stores. Everyone saves 30% off. And then if you're an Inside Track Club member, you'll save up to 40% off. So great way to get an additional savings on some purchases at your Harbor Freight. Just a side note, guys, I have posted a video on the leaked ad for the next Harbor Freight parking lot sale. I'll make sure I link that in the description box and at the end of this video. Definitely check out that video for the best prices on some of this stuff. If you can wait until that parking lot sale, which is in March, I would wait. You're going to get a little bit of better deal on some of these items. But we'll go ahead and check out what they have to offer for the giant liquidation sale. So right here, they got the U.S. General. These are super nice. 72-inch triple bank roll cabinet, Series 3, $1,600 for this. Now, like I said earlier, they do have the parking lot sale coming up. And I want to say this is around $1,400. So you're going to save an additional couple $100 if you can wait till that parking lot sale. $1,600 during the giant liquidation sale. I love how they have all these different colors that you can pick from. Got a couple Predator engines here. Over here they got the McGraw 21 gallon for $250. Now these are super nice. These Daytona wheel dollies for one though, $100. So you're gonna be spending a little bit to get all four, but these are really super nice. Next to that we got the Apache case. This is the medium-sized case, but this is pretty nice also. These Apache cases, whether you're getting the rifle case or something small like this, are really well built. They got that pick foam, so you can like pick out the foam to be able to get a custom fit, whether you're using it for some sensitive electronics like a camera, a firearm, anything like that. Really well built cases. I like these a lot, and at $20 you really can't beat that for this Apache medium-sized case. Got some torque wrenches here by Pittsburgh, $11.99. Here they got the 3,500 watt super quiet generator, really nice generator, $6.99. I want to say for the parking lot sale you'll be able to save another 50-ish bucks if you can just wait for that. Definitely a nice source of backup power for your house. Definitely recommend picking up a generator if you got the extra money. Got your tarps over here, $24.99. These are always a good deal, these central pneumatic spray guns. I actually used a couple of these to base coat, clear coat my older classic Chevy Impala. It's a 65 Chevy Impala I painted in my garage with two of these paint guns. Actually came out pretty decent. I'm happy with it. $10, you really can't beat that. Here's the 3-ton off-road jack. Really nice jack, $279.99 for that one. Got some duct tape, some gloves here. I always go to Harbor Freight to pick up gloves, whether it's work gloves or rubber gloves. Seems like they got the best prices. Got some more jacks here. Here is the 1.5 ultra low profile. These are really nice too because they're aluminum, really lightweight jack. Move around your shop or garage. $279 for that one. Here's the Daytona wheel dollies. So these are a little bit cheaper version. They also have the gray ones, which I purchased. I forgot. I think they're the Pittsburgh ones. Those usually can get for around $45 for the pair. So the Daytona ones a little bit more expensive at $70, but I think their capacity is a little bit higher also. But I like the gray ones. They work really well. Scroll down a little bit further. They got the gold-plated ratchet 3/8 inch, $50. Metric Master socket set, $50. Got the Quinn click torque wrench for $50. Not a bad pickup. Go on to page 2 here. Got some gloves, some Bauer polishing pads, a bunch of different types there. Now this is nice. They got the 1,000 peak amp jump starter and power bank. These are always nice to keep in your car, fully charged, ready to go. Don't take up a lot of space. $80 for that one. Chicago Electric welding cart, really nice. Only $33 for this. Nice cart. I like this cart a lot. Got the Badlands Apex winch. So this one's going to have the synthetic rope and wireless remote. Nice setup here. $530 for that one. Another jump starter pack by Viking. This is the 1700 peak amp. $170 for that one. As we scroll down, there's an even better deal on a jump pack that they got going on for this giant liquidation sale that I'll show you guys in a second. Got some more winches here. Another welding cart. 400 lumen, spotlight, stay away from that. Got some gas cans, die grinder. Got the Bauer 25-foot tape measure for $6. Grinder. This is a nice grinder, $120 for that one. Go on to page 3 here. Get some painter's tape. Got the Atlas battery for $60. 30-foot Bauer tape for $8. Another gas can. Now this is what I was talking about, guys, right here. This is a really, really good deal. They got the Centec 630 peak amp. So this is a jump starter power pack, 150 psi air compressor. Really nice setup here. Only $45. So even during the parking lot sale, I've only seen this get down to $69.99, so like $70 if I'm not mistaken. So $45 is a steal of a deal for this, in my opinion. Just throw that in your trunk of your car, and you got a little emergency system there with the air compressor, jump pack. It's got the USB charger built into that. Got the work light. So nice setup with this Centec 630 peak amp portable power jump pack. See what else they got. They got the 12-volt Hercules here, tool only, for $50. Got the Franklin hand truck for $100. Here's another nice compressor, 26-gallon Fortress, $350 for that one. Scroll down a little further here, another generator. So here's a nice generator if you're just worried about power. 9,000 watts with this one. This one's going to be a contractor's type generator, so good for a work site, something like that. And you can use these for the house. I've seen a lot of people use these contractor style generators for their house as a backup power, just because they offer a lot of wattage at an affordable price. But these are the louder generators compared to the newer quiet generators that they have. So if you're on a budget, this would be a good alternative for some backup power for your house. Go ahead and scroll down a little further here. Got the Union gun safe here, $170. I'm not a big fan of these. These are just kind of like lockers. Store your gun in. Probably good to keep away from your kids, like young kids. But if somebody broke in your house, I wouldn't trust it. And roll into the last page here. More gas cans. Now these are pretty cool. These foldable sports chairs. $28 for these. I got 2 different colors. Just don't leave these out in the sun too long. You know, I've left mine out for months at a time during the summertime around my fire pit, and they faded pretty bad. And then the next year they tore just from being weathered, being out in the sun. So definitely, if you get these are nice, but fold them up, store them away. Don't leave them out all year like I did. And that looks like it's about it for the liquidation sale, guys. So that's some of the stuff during this giant liquidation sale. Like I said earlier, if you guys can wait, they are doing the parking lot sale in March. I'll link a video right here if you guys want to see all of those deals. A lot of those deals are going to be better than this giant liquidation sale that they're doing right now. So if you can be patient, it'll pay off. Hopefully you guys found value in the video. If you did, smash the like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit that notification bell so you guys get notified when I post my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. I will talk to you on the next one.